Okay, today we would just revive the concept of pure vowels and vowel glides, right? Should I describe pure vowels once again?
नाही सर, मी लिहिले पण नाही आणि मला ते सगळे लक्षात पण नाही. फक्त हे नंतरचे जे आहेत ना त्याच्यापैकी एकच आठवत नाही.
Uh, so there is no need to revive pure vowels now.
नाही, नो नीड.
Sure.
येस.
Okay, because we have to go towards a new topic that is of transcription, and for that transcription, we need to keep in our mind all these pure vowels and vowel glides.
येस.
Okay, it
आपण
needs
लास्ट टाइम पण 2 वेळेस
yeah.
गेल्या वेळेस पण 2-3 वेळा रिवाइंड केलं होतं आणि मी त्यानंतर लेक्चर नंतर लगेच लिहून घेतलं होतं. मग आठवतंय सगळं. लिहिलंय मी.
You got a problem regarding vowel glide, right? See, the first one is EO, right?
येस. EO.
EO, like ear, like deer. We say deer. That is not deer, it is deer. Deer. Fear, 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 right? India, not India. Is India, ear, child, no. Right, okay. Next is AE. AE. In A,
डे.
AE.
EE.
Late. Say.
मे.
Stay.
मे.
Right, okay. Ray, RAY.
येस.
This is to, like
EO.
to.
टू.
Final row is silent, okay, in most cases.
येस.
Like sure, 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 UO. Like tour, TOUR. Like pure, 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 O. Okay. Like poor, POOR, poor. Next is oil. That
येस.
is
ऑन. ई. ऑ प्लस ई.
boy. Yes, boy, not boy.
ऑइल.
Yes, oil, oil, then soil, then joy, JOY, then noise, oil, noise. Okay,
येस.
this one, air, air, where, in most cases, final row is silent. Okay, where, air, 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 row is silent.
ओके.
Pair, pair means couple, pair. PAIR, pair, air, not pair, pair, like care, CARE, care. Likewise, dare, GARE, like chair, we say chair, not chair, it's chair, there, THERE, right? Next one is I. It is not my, it is my.
नाही.
I, again in eyes, in light, light, in my,
येस.
why, then sign, sign, then sky, not sky, it is sky,
काही.
okay,
येस.
sky, then it becomes fly, not fly. It is fly, right? Then finally is owl. Okay, owl in howl, owl. Then pound, pound, owl. COW, cow.
Yes.
SOUND, sound. Ground, a count, ound. Okay. Likewise, house, house, house. Okay, is it clear now?
Yes. Clear well.
Fine. Can you try yourself?
आता मी हा ओके ठीक आहे. प्युअर पासून स्टार्ट करू का?
Right, okay.
So,
Don't say longer, don't say short. Pronounce it. E, E, like that.
प्युअर पण प्रोनाउन्स करू का म्हटलं?
Yes, please, yes, please.
Okay, sir. First long E sound, read. Second short E, sit. Third short U, book. Book. Fourth long U, two.
Yes.
बरोबर आहे ना?
Right, right, right.
Fifth, short E sound, main.
No, no, not
Six,
short E.
sound,
A,
Americ.
A. Which sound?
Main. A.
N, A. A, gets a A. A.
Okay.
Man, A. Egg, man, A, egg.
Okay.
A, education.
Yes.
Yes.
Next is O sound, Americ. O. Short.
America.
Americ. Short O
अंडरलाइन
sound.
एका ठिकाणी अंडरलाइन आहे तर तो साऊंड ओके so America in this spelling appears both the times, two times. अमेरिका या शब्दामध्ये सुरुवातीला आणि लास्टला सुद्धा होतो.
हो.
Right again, please.
Next one is A sound.
Longer
Yes. Longer
Yes.
word. Next
R is silent.
long O sound. Short.
Yes.
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 Short.
Yes. Next, please.
Next one is short A, cat. Short A sound.
Okay.
Next one is
a simple
short O sound.
And simple one. Right. We don't have longer air. It is air. Single air.
Yes.
Just say air.
At.
Don't say single air. Air.
Okay. Next one, but. O sound. Short O. But.
Right.
Yes. O. Next A. Part. A.
Yes. Yes.
Next one is O. Not.
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 Yes, it is O. Right?
Okay.
Try vowel also.
EO.
Yes.
Or EO. EO. Next. Day. A. Next one is tour. Boy. Go. Wear. My. How.
Where? Here. Where? Air.
Air.
Right.
Okay.
Next one.
My. My.
Yes, I.
And last one is ow. How.
Right.
How.
Is it clear now?
Yes.
Yes. It is clear. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
let me tell you that it needs practice. Right. You have to identify each and every sound. Okay. Again, next topic we are going to have is about consonants. Okay, we discussed pure vowels and vowel glides. We need to go through consonant also, but before that, we would go through vowel diagram. Okay, vowel diagram. Let's proceed.
Diagram.
This diagram is called vowel diagram. You would find front, central, and back these words. And this diagram basically is about the movements of the tongue. The movements of the
Moment
tongue.
of tongue.
This front means front part of the tongue. Central means central part of the tongue. Back is the back part of the tongue. Right? And if
Yes.
you see the words like close, half closed, half open, open, right? These are the height of the tongue. Height of the tongue. म्हणजेच फ्रंट, सेंट्रल आणि बॅक हे काय आहेत तर जिभेचे पार्ट आहेत. फ्रंट पार्ट ऑफ द टंग, सेंट्रल पार्ट ऑफ द टंग अँड बॅक पार्ट ऑफ द टंग. म्हणजेच ते प्रोनाउन्सिएशन करताना हे साऊंड प्रोनाउन्सिएशन करताना which part of the tongue is used. ओके, येतं लक्षात? आता फ्रंट पार्ट मध्ये कोणती टंगचा पार्ट करतोय तर मग कोणता साऊंड क्रिएट करतो तर ई, शॉर्ट ई अँड लॉंग ई. ए ऑल्सो.
Yes, long E and short E.
राईट. बॉटमला बघा ऍ, त्याच्या बाजूलाच बघा अ. राईट. हे सगळं फ्रंट पार्ट प्रोनाउन्सिएशन होतं. ओके. तर सेंट्रल पार्ट मध्ये कोणते दोन साऊंड प्रोनाउन्स होतात तर अ आणि अ. ठीक आहे. This is the back part of the tongue, and back part of the tongue pronounces the sounds like oo, oo. Then ah. And the last one is at the bottom ah. Right. At the close,
Yes.
half close, half open. हे काय आहे? हाईट ऑफ द टंग. म्हणजे जीभ बोलत असताना, प्रोनाउन्सिएशन करत असताना, वॉवलचं प्रोनाउन्सिएशन करताना जीभ कोणत्या हाईटला वर उचलली जाते. मग हाईटचे प्रकार आहेत ते क्लोज, हाफ ओपन, ओपन. ठीक आहे.
Okay.
And this movement of the tongue happens automatically, right? So we don't have any idea while pronunciation. बोलताना आपण सहज बोलतो, पण अशाच प्रकारच्या मुवमेंट आपल्या जबड्यामध्ये होतात, जॉ मध्ये होतात, याची आपल्याला कल्पना सुद्धा नसते. ठीक आहे. राईट. क्लोज, हाफ ओपन, ओपन ही हाईट झाली जीभेची. ठीक आहे. आता प्रत्येक साऊंड जर तुम्ही प्रोनाउन्सिएशन कराल तुमच्या लक्षात येईल की which part of the tongue is used, front, central or back. Okay. We also take into account the height of the tongue also, that is close, half open or open like that. Right? त्याचं विश्लेषण आपण पुढे करणार आहोत वन बाय वन. त्याच्या पुढे
हो सर.
See, these are called the front vowels. Why front vowels? See, let me come back again. Front vowel means the front part of the tongue is used, right? जसा e, e, a, हे आहे, right? So
Yes.
my front part of the tongue is used, right? त्यामुळे इथे आपण यूज करतोय front vowels. ठीक आहे. Now articulation, how that sound is articulated, created in our mouth, in our jaw, in our oral cavity, right? So what happens in the articulation of this sound? Let's take the first one, that is longer E, in feel, okay? Front part of the tongue is used, that is raised in the direction of the hard palate. The hard palate कुठे आपल्याला माहिती आहे, वरती आहे, right? म्हणजे जिभेचा जो पुढचा पार्ट आहे तो हार्ड पॅलेट कडे उचलला जातो, राईट? क्लोज पोझिशन. लिप्स कसे आहेत तर स्प्रेड, म्हणजे पसरलेले आहेत, आडवे आहेत, पसरलेले, राईट? ई. द वावल इज लॉंग, राईट? ई. डिस्क्रिप्शन काय आहे मग? फ्रंट म्हणजे फ्रंट पार्ट ऑफ द टंग. क्लोज कशाला क्लोज आहे तर हार्ड पॅलेट. ई बघा पुढचा शेंडा जो आहे जिभेचा थोडा उचलला जातो वरती, हार्ड पॅलेटला टच होत नाही पण तो पास जातो, ठीक आहे? सो इट मीन्स क्लोज टू हार्ड पॅलेट अँड अनराउंडेड व्हावल. See, two categories are there, rounded and unrounded. Rounded means if you pronounce ooh, how the lips are rounded.
Yes.
ऊचं प्रोनाउन्सिएशन करणं काय होतं, लिप्स जे आहेत काय होतात राऊंड पोझिशन, ऊ. पण ईचं करताना कसं होतं का, ई ई
नाही
येत ते, राईट? फ्लॅट आहेत, सरळ आहेत, ओके? दॅट्स वाय इट इज कॉल्ड अनराउंडेड व्हावल, राईट? सो इफ you describe the sound E, then the description would be it is a front, means front part of the tongue is used. Then close means the tongue is close to hard palate and it is a unrounded vowel, right? Like that. One more examples are there. See, eat, need, right? And teeth.
Yes.
Just like that. So it is called description of the vowels. Okay, the description of the vowels. So the description of the sound E is front, close, and unrounded vowel. As I told you, it happens so naturally, and we don't have any idea what is happening in our mouth, in my jaw. Right now I am talking with you, right? Same position is there of E, and all other vowels, right? As far as my tongue is concerned, but I don't have that kind of what you say time to feel that one. बोलत असताना आपल्याला इतकी कल्पना असल्यावर जी तितक्या प्रमाणात वर उचलली गेली, म्हणजे टाळू लागली, राऊंड झाली, isn't it? लिप्स राऊंड झाले का नाही, आपण बोलतो in a flow of speaking, isn't it? That's it. So let's go towards the next sound. It is E, short E, like feel. What happens?
Short E.
Right. Again, front part of the tongue is raised in the direction of the hard palate, right? The position is between half closed and half open. Between closed and half closed, right? E. Again, the lips are spread. Sapata has lips. So it can be called as a front unrounded vowel between closed and half closed. Most of the part you have to memorize. That's the thing. So it is a front unrounded vowel between closed and half closed. let me show you between a close and half close. दिसतंय? Close and half close.
Yes, sir.
मध्ये आहे तो
Half
बिलकुल.
close.
Right. Then the next sound is A. A घ्यायचा A. In set, A. Set, let, met, get. What happens? Tongue, front part of the tongue is raised towards hard palate. Okay, A. Position between half close and half open. Let me show you again.
Half open.
Half close and half between. A.
Half open.
Right. The position of the lips. A. Again unrounded.
Flat, not rounded. Unrounded.
They are right. They are flat. Right. So
Yes.
if you just describe the sound, it would be like that. Front unrounded vowel between half closed and half open. Right. So A. If you go further, the next sound is A. What happens in the articulation of A? Front part, yes, sat. Front part of the tongue is used and it is raised to slightly below half open position. A. Slightly below half open position. The lips are again neutral, means unrounded. A. Okay, so it's a front unrounded vowel just below half open position. I think you have to keep in mind all these things. If you go towards the next section, that is back vowels. First is A, then O, then O, U, finally is U. Right. So back part of the tongue is used. What happens? Back part of tongue is used and it is fully open. Mouth is fully open. बरोबर आहे का? The lips are again unrounded. So it's a back, open, and unrounded vowel. The position of the jaw is Next sound is O. Now the position of the lips is changed. Back part of the tongue is used and soft palate. Soft palate म्हणजे काहीतरी हरकत होते बघा. Try to pronounce it. Back side ला काहीतरी होतं. Soft palate.
Yes.
Position काय आहे लिप्सची? Rounded.
Rounded.
Right. So in bought. Right. On. Okay.
Yes.
Next sound is caught. Again, back part of the tongue. Again, there is some movement in the area of soft palate. It is open, fully open.
Yes.
The lips are rounded.
Rounded.
So it is a back, open, and rounded.
And rounded vowel.
Right. Next is U. Input, short U. Put. Again, back part of the tongue is used. Right. The lips are again rounded. right? Now the central part, or back part of the tongue is used. So the height is between close and half close. Ooh, ooh, short ooh.
Yes.
Then it comes, yes, longer ooh, ooh, ooh. Back part of the tongue, ooh, ooh. Back part of the tongue हा वर उचलला जातोय बघा.
Yes.
Ooh, ooh. Again soft palate. पर्यंत हा रेज होतोय. Position is close position. Are rounded.
Yes.
So
Rounded.
ooh, back, back part is used.
Close.
Back, close, and
Rounded vowel.
rounded vowel. Just like in stool, ool, shoe, ooze. And let's go towards the central vowels. We have three ones. Short that is emphatic then longer and short okay.
Oh.
So what happens in the pronunciation of in cut, in shut, right? Central part of the tongue is raised between open and half open. The lips are, yes, rounded or unrounded?
Unrounded. Oh no, unrounded.
Unrounded. Unrounded. The lips are neutral, means unrounded. So it is a central unrounded vowel between open and half open. In but, in cut, in shut, these sounds are used. The next sound is longer in bird, right? In sir, S-I-R, sir, bird. What happens? Central part of the tongue is used, and the tongue is raised to the roof of the mouth, right? So the height is between open and half open. Between open and half open.
Half open.
The lips are yes, rounded or unrounded?
Unrounded. Unrounded.
Unrounded, right? So sir, in bird, in curd, C-U-R-D, curd, right? This sound is used. This is short right? Central part of the tongue is used, and the height is half closed and
Between half
half
closed and
open.
half open.
Okay, and the lips are, yes,
Unrounded.
rounded. Right, there is no movement of the lips.
Yes.
So is a central, half open, and unrounded vowel. So brother, last, sister, yes, driver, like China, okay.
Yes.
So these are the description and specification of pure vowels in our English.
Your vowel.
Keep into mind the diagram. If you took into mind this diagram, then you can analyze and classify any sound, right? Then with the help of the diagram, you can just simply say which part of the tongue is used, front, central, or back. you can just simply say the height, whether it is closed, it's half closed, whether between half closed and half open, like that, right?
Yes.
So this diagram is very important. So try to keep this diagram in your mind. Okay, then the topic
Yes,
would be
sir.
would look simpler. Okay, so is it clear to you now?
Yes.
Okay.